Hey.
Alright, bro, let's go grab your car.
Come on, Junk. We're getting out of here.
Don't forget your charger, bro.
Yep. Kiss her. Kiss her. Ah.
She's gonna claw me, dude.